Welcome to another video solution by Code. In this video, we will be looking at the two-sum problem on LeetCode, and this video will provide you with the C++ solution of this problem. If you want to check out the Python solution of this problem, then I have linked that in the description box and you can see that too. So without wasting any time, let's proceed. In this problem we are given an integer array nums and a target value. We are supposed to return the index of those two numbers in the array that add up to the target value. Also, we can assume that the solution always exists. To understand better, let's consider the first input sample. The input is 2, 7, 11 and 15 and the target is 9. So if we check the array, the number 2 and 7 add up to 9, so our output will be 0 and 1 because these are the indices of the number 2 and 7. So now let's check out the C++ solution. First, we are creating a variable to store the size of the input vector. Now the basic idea that we are going to follow is that while iterating over the array nums, if we are at a number x, then what we are going to check is that have we ever come across a number target minus x in the array or not. Because if we have, then these two numbers, that is x and target minus x, will add up to target and we can return the indices to these two numbers. To store the indices of values, let's maintain a map from integer to integer. The key would be a number and the value would be index of that number in that array. Now we will iterate over the array. We have created a for loop for that from the start to the size of the array. The number we are currently at is nums of I and the number we are looking for is target minus nums of I. Now, check if the map already has the value we are looking for. Because if it has, then we have got a pair in the array whose sum is the target value we are looking for. So if the value in the map is not 0, then we can return the index I and the index in the map minus 1. Now, if the value we are looking for, that is, the value in the variable to find was not there in the map, then we can just store the current value and continue our iteration over the numbers. And this is it. We are done. Let's try to submit the code and see if our algorithm is correct or not. Great. See, the solution has been accepted and it works. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please hit the like button and do subscribe the channel for more videos on coding solutions. Bye bye and see you next time with another exciting problem.